the students, let us start today modulus problems. So we are going to take more 2 days that this chapter will be finished, and this chapter we are solving mains and advanced level, basic concepts of modulus, but I am teaching you mains and advanced level. So here, yesterday few of the students said this question has some doubts, so I will explain this question. So these are the questions which are most important, and the graph, how to draw the graph of the functions, I will explain today. Let us see here, first of all, this question. See, I will explain you listen carefully and note down the points. The first thing is, whenever you want to solve modulus of x plus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x plus 5 is equal to 10, what is the solution of this modulus function? So what we do here, first point, see, listen carefully. First point, marks the zeros on the number line. Draw a number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity, this is the number line. What is the zero of this? X plus 1, 0. If I take x plus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1 is the 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, then 2 is the 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0, then x value is minus 5. The zeros are minus 5, minus 1 plus 2. You have to listen carefully. Okay. So here we mark the zeros on the number line. Then after, so this is a real number line. This is divided how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Let us take the case number 1. Case number 1. That is x less than or equal to minus 5. Taking the case number 1, less than or equal to minus 5. I don't know, one of the students asked what is this. If you are not knowing this one, this is a very simple thing, you should know these things. Minus 5, less than value. What is the less than value of minus 5? Take that number. What is the less than minus 5 values? You can minus 6, minus 7, anything you get. Take one number, that is minus 6. See, this modulus is open, positive or negative. That is the main point. So here minus 6 if I keep here. Minus 6 plus 1 how much? Minus 5. Means it is opening negative or positive? Negative. You need to know this opens positive or negative. How you come to know? You take a number less than minus 5. Keep here. Minus 6 plus 1. It is getting negative. So it should be open negative. Understand? So if you are taking this negative number, it is open negative. So minus of x plus 1 you will get. Okay, after that you keep here the same minus 6. This is minus 6 minus 2 is how much? Minus 8 means negative. Means this modulus will open positive or negative? Negative. So this modulus will open negative. Okay. Now take here minus 6. Minus 6 plus 5. How much? Minus 1. And this will open how much? It is a negative number. So open negative. So all will be opening with negative things. Is equal to 10. This is open with negative. So what happened here? Minus x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus x plus 5 is equal to 10. Minus x minus x minus x is nothing but minus 3x. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Plus 6 is equal to 10. Minus 3x is equal to 10 minus 6. How much you got here? You got here minus 3x is equal to 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 3. What is the value of minus 4 by 3? 1 point something. So that is minus 1.6 something. Is this lies in this quadrant, in this inequality? ये branch कौन सी branch है? -5 से less than branch है. So this branch is what? Less than -5. The branch is this one, less than -1. What you got x value? -1 point something. 3 divided by 4 -1 point something. So that is here, not be here. So this is not a solution. Let us go for the case number 2. See this, there will be 4 cases are possible. Case number 2, what do you do here? Case number 2. Let us take this point. Now x is in between of -1 to 5. Okay, already 5 included here, no need to include there. So here -1 to 5 I took. Take any number between -1 to 5. So what will be the number? Let us take any number -1 to -5. This is -1 to -5. What was the number? Take it any number -1 to -5. Let us suppose -2 in between there. So -2 substitute here. What I am getting? -2 if I substitute. -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1. That is minus. -2 minus. That is minus. -2 plus 5. That is plus. So open, this is negative. This is negative. This is positive. Open, this is negative. Negative of x plus 1. And open, this is negative. Negative of x minus 2. And open, this is positive, that is x plus 5 is equal to how much it is given? 10. Like this way you have to do it. Reason what? Modulus is positive, negative, then both are impossible, no? So you have to check this. So minus x minus 1 minus x plus 2 plus x plus 5 is equal to 10. So here minus x plus x cancel. What do you get here? Minus x. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. 7 minus 1 how much? 6. So plus 6 is equal to 10. So minus x is equal to 10 minus 6. Minus x is equal to 4. X is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 in this branch, it is there? Yes, it is there. So this is the solution. For the case number 3, hope you are understanding this. See, few members are saying one of the student has messaged me not understood, means that is your fault. You have to see the video properly once again. Okay, and what you have to do, make it speed less and watch if you are not able to understand that. Okay, now see here. Now what I am going to take here? What I have to go to take here, third case. Third case is what? X is in between of which here? 2 and -1. Okay, what is the number between 2 and -1? Let us take any number 0. Take any number 0. 0 put here. 0 plus 1 positive. 0 minus 2 negative. 0 plus 5 positive. This simple addition you should know. Okay, 0 plus 1 is positive. This is x plus 1 positive. 0 minus 2 is negative. So minus of x minus 2. And 0 plus 5 is positive. That is x plus 5 is equal to how much? 10. Okay. So how much you are getting here? X plus 1 minus x plus 2 plus x plus 5 is equal to 10. So plus x minus x cancel. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. So here what I am getting, x plus 8 is equal to 10. X is equal to 2. Is this x is equal to 2 is there? Yeah, I included 2 here. So this is there. So this is the solution. And the final step here, case 4 we are going to take. Case 4. What is your case 4 here? Case 4 in this case, we take x greater than 2. Let us take any number greater than 2. That is 3. Keep here 3 plus 1, 4 positive. This will be positive. 3 minus 2 positive. Open with positive. and you get 3 plus 5. How much 8? Positive. X plus 5. That is equal to 10. This is what you get. Okay. So what I am getting here? 3x 6 minus 2, that is plus 4, is equal to 10. 3x is equal to 10 minus 4. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. You got x is equal to 2. So tell me, x is equal to 2 is there in this? No, not there. It is greater than 2. It is not a solution. Not a solution. Not a solution. So how many are solutions now here? You got 2 solutions. So the answer is x is equal to minus 4 comma 2. So the number of solutions are 2 and they are minus 4 comma 2. This is the way to do it.